Before folding, make sure the seat is upright and facing forward. Next, set the brake so the stroller stays steady. Find the 2 buttons on the handle. Slide the stroller release button to one side, then squeeze the handle adjustment button. Hold both together until the stroller starts to fold. Once it starts to fold, release the stroller release button. Keep squeezing the handle adjustment button and bring the handle all the way down to the storage position. The stroller will stand on its own. To open it back up, slide the stroller release button to one side and squeeze the handle adjustment button. Hold both together. Place your foot on the storage basket frame underneath the stroller. Push down with your foot to start opening the stroller, then release both buttons. Keep pushing until you feel it click into place. Before you head out, make sure to release the brake.